As a matter of fact, we, the employers, or maybe the people who are highly placed in transport line, we don't make them feel important and don't feel them make feel equal. As a matter of fact, you see, it has to start and percolate from us. When we treat with the drivers, we should treat them as the foreign drivers get treated in the Western countries or so-called advanced countries. This thing is very important for you to record. When a person like me, you see, goes abroad in Western countries and goes on a package tour on bus, and when we halt to take our lunch or dinner, the bus driver, he is made to sit along with us as absolutely equal, maybe even little important than us, because he is taking us round. And there we call him Mr. So-and-so, Mr. So-and-so, Mr. So-and-so. You are very nice, how's your family, how big your family is and all that. And he feels elated, and absolutely there is absolutely no trace of complex in him. So when I come back to India, honestly, and the same thing happens about the waiters also there, and about the people who are little lowly placed or not on intellectual careers.
Are you talking about a dignity of labor is pretty, like high?
It's pretty high, and I think I won't even say high, it's excellent. The girls over there who are college going girls and all that, when they come to in the restaurant, the servers, they give us a smile, we give them a smile and treat them absolutely equal, and we understand because they, in order to earn extra money, they are serving us.
Is it difficult to copycat that kind of an experience on the Indian terrain? Can you, Mr. YP Jain, and your team be equally, treat your own drivers in the same way? Is it possible, or will you do it, sir?
It is definitely possible, and for your kind information, to a large extent, we have been doing it, and this is what I told Mr. Das. Whenever the driver comes, I have the instructions to my people that immediately they will be made to sit, offer water and offer coffee and tea, and not to make, and we will not let them wait also. So that when they sit on the sofa, the water is offered by the peon, and the tea and coffee is asked for, and one of the things is got to be offered to them. They really feel important, and this I have been doing for the last 3, 4, 5 years.
What kind of a change? What kind of a change in their behavior when they see? It's a very positive thing which you are doing.
As a matter of fact, it is a sort of a pleasant, if I use the word pleasant, shock.
For them.
For them. Absolutely pleasant shock, because some of the feedback I got also, that here you are treating us like this and all that, and the other companies we go, we are made to stand, nobody offers us in water, even the severest of summers, nobody offers us anything, and people just shout at us, do this, do that. So, but then you see, as there is a saying, I don't know, you may be remembering, but one swan cannot make, what is the saying?
One swallow cannot, what is it?
Whatever.
Make a summer, yeah.
You have understood the meaning.
Yeah.
Unless it is generally imbibed. And probably I have written this in some magazines also. Honestly speaking, when I contributed my articles, I have written about it, that we have to give proper esteem and respect to the drivers and treat them also as equal. They are doing their part of duty, we are doing our part of duty. So how can we treat them as inferior? As a matter of fact, I have seen some of the drivers or some of the lowly placed people to be very, very intelligent, very sharp. It's only the circumstances which have taken them over there. And it is only the circumstances which have taken me over here. Maybe he is more intelligent than me, common sense point of view, logic point of view, even regarding pushing and aggressive and all that. So we have to change our mindset at home as well as in the office.
Sir, Mr. Jain, suppose I ask you to address a group of truck drivers. Okay, what will you advise them? What will you tell them? Tell me in Hindi.
नहीं, ऐसा है कि देखिए, मैं उनको अगर सिर्फ ये बोलूँ भाई नहीं आप इक्वल हैं, मैं अकेला से बोल दूँ, आप इक्वल हैं, आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं, मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ, आपको किसी किस्म का कॉम्प्लेक्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मुझे किसी किस्म के स्पीड कॉम्प्लेक्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है। मेरे ख्याल में इससे प्रॉब्लम कोई चीज़ हल होगी नहीं, क्योंकि जब तक एक्चुअल में उनको इस टाइप का बिहेवियर देखने को नहीं मिले, वो सिर्फ यही कहेंगे भी ये सिर्फ सरमनाइजिंग कर रहा है, सिर्फ ऊपर की बात कर रहा है। असल में तो हमारे साथ में कुछ और ही होता है। हम सड़क पर जब निकल, सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयर ही नहीं, ट्रांसपोर्टर ही नहीं, बल्कि सड़क पे हर एक आदमी हमारे ऊपर में ऐसे करता है जैसे शिकार आ गया हो। और जैसे इनको गली का कुत्ता हो, गली के कुत्ते को इधर से उधर भगाया जाता है, डंडा मारा जाता है, ये किया जाता है, आमतौर पर तो हमारे से ये बिहेवियर हो रहा है, तो हम कैसे फील कर सकते हैं? तो ये जनरल जो चीज़ें हैं, ये हमारे लोगों में से पर्कुलेट होना ज़रूरी है कि हम उनको अच्छी तरह ट्रीट करें। ऑनेस्टली मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, मुझसे ही बोल रहा हूँ कि जब वो अगर मेरे सामने आते हैं, 2 मिनट, कोई ब्रोकर भी आता है, आमतौर पे ब्रोकर्स को भी अच्छी तरह ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता है, फ्रैंकली। ड्राइवरों को आप छोड़िए, गाड़ी मालिक को भी ठीक नहीं किया है। विदाउट एनी क्वेश्चन ही इज मेड टू सिट कंफर्टेबली इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी। ही इज नॉट मेड टू स्टैंड। When he is comfortable, then he can really talk to me on equal level, or he can speak his heart out. If he's just standing, as if I am standing in a court, then if I have to give evidence over there before a judge and standing and so many people looking, even a person like me gets nervous. But if the judge offers me the seat, made comfortable, if he smiles at me rather than showing me this smug face, I will definitely converse with him and talk to him and all that in an absolutely relaxed manner. So this is what is very much required.
Sir, one
And
question.
kindly do propagate among the transporters to start with that you are a transporter or you are a owner by dint of these circumstances. And this gentleman is the driver by dint of the circumstances. Circumstances include the birth, the education, the friends, and so many other things. So think in that fashion, and as you behave when you go out. Many of our owners these days, many people have started going out to the Western countries. They observe all these things which I have observed. That when you have observed this, why don't you follow this in your country also? Where's the problem?